I wanted you guys to have a good look at this thing before I'm done with it. I replaced pretty much everything, put a few performance parts in there, upgraded the carb, new throttle cable, all that kind of stuff. Waiting on the new ignition to come in, we'll put that in. As you can see, I wanted you guys to have a good look at the paint job. I've been sanding everything down, and yeah, this is basically a Yamaha Vino is what the knockoff of this is. But my mom saw the scooter and she loved it. So now that I finished fixing the blinkers and stuff and getting all that done, we've started sanding everything down, and I'm gonna go ahead and order the official Yamaha Vino stickers for this. We're gonna give this thing a whole paint job. I got my sandblaster coming, so I'm gonna sandblast this. Just wanted you guys to see how bad this thing looked before I get started on this project. You know, I'm giving it to my parents. I want it to look nice, so I'm gonna do the whole 9 yards. And you know, it's got such low mileage on it. Hell, the back tire is like brand new. Front tire is brand new. Thing has what, 688 miles on it before it was parked, and for whatever reason it was parked. So we're gonna clean all the chrome up. We're gonna get all this looking nice. We're gonna clean a lot of this stuff up. This has some pitting. We'll see what we can do about the pitting, but most of this should come back out and look pretty nice. Order some new mirrors for it, get a new brake master cylinder. We'll replace the stuff that needs to be replaced, get this thing into fully functioning condition. I'm working on the rear tail light now. Once that's done, like I said, I'm doing the patch sanding right now, waiting on my sandblaster to come in, get all the loose stuff off of it. We'll give this thing a good sandblast. Got my compressor out over there ready for the sandblaster gun. I gotta go get some bags so that we can fill the sandblaster up. I gotta choose what I want, coarse or fine. And yeah, man, we'll absolutely wreck this thing. I've already started painting the cases and the kickstart. So that one's going back on that scooter, but this one is going back on here. So this one's already getting the bottom end done. I'm gonna get some corrosion remover for all the aluminum. We're gonna spray it down, bring all the aluminum back up, get all the white corrosion off of it. We'll sand all the floorboards off. As you can see, we got to sand all this out here and get it down to where I can use the sandblaster comfortably, remove all the stickers, clean this thing up real good. So, and then I got a new seat cover coming for this because this one's crap. We'll clean that container, give it a paint job so it looks nice and shiny again. And yeah, hopefully by the time my parents get home, this will be a pretty nice looking scooter. So I'm doing this video way in advance so you guys can see how beat up this thing was. Remember, I only bought it for 150 bucks and it runs like a top. It's got basically no miles on it. Thing's brand new. The nipples are still on the tires. That's how new this was before it was parked out in the elements to rot away until I got my hands on it.
You look so amazing in that sundress. Wonder what you look like when you're undressed. I can see the future in your eyes. You know I would never tell you lies. I just wanna see you smile, so stick around a while, baby. I see your man blowing up your phone, telling you that you need to come home. If that clown, he ain't about a thing. Look, I don't see no engagement ring. You said that he did you dirty, so what's the harm in flirting, baby? Cause your boyfriend's a bitch, he ain't shit, he can suck on my dick. I ain't with all that shit. Why he do you like this when you're home all alone? Why he out fucking around with him? Cause your boyfriend's a bitch. Cause your boyfriend's a bitch. Cause your boyfriend's a bitch. He ain't shit, he can suck on my dick. I ain't with all that shit. Why he do you like this when you're home all alone? Why he out fucking around with him?
There we go. Kickstands and stuff. A lot of the stuff I'm gonna have to get in for some close sanding on, unfortunately. This will be pulled and this will be pulled when I pull this off. Then we'll do the rest of the sanding on that. As far as the mirrors go, I'm just gonna clean them up the best I can. I'm not going to strip the whole scooter to do it. As much as I want to say that's the way to do it, if you know anything about Chinese plastics, you'd never take these damn things off. Even this case was horrible. It is what it is. So, repainted all the kickstand and everything down there now. Hopefully that slows down the rust process that was taking place. It looks a lot better now. So we got all that, and sanded down this whole panel right here. And when I get a chance, like I said, we're doing pretty much the whole scooter the same color except for the chrome parts. So all the chrome that you see on the scooter is going to be left chrome. This is probably going to be repainted chrome again because this was fake chrome. Chrome, 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 and then the back bracket that goes here will be chrome. The rest of it is all going to be the same color, so I shouldn't have to strip all the panels to do this properly. But like I said, for the most part, like a lot of this blends in well. This didn't take any sun damage, so this isn't popping up or brittle at all. It's all the stuff that took direct sunlight that I'm sanding down. So next up we'll get some very fine sandpaper. We'll smooth all that out. And so I'm getting all the choppy spots today and taking care of that kind of stuff. So I'll probably go get some more chrome paint, pull that off, clean it real good, and then re-chrome that. As far as the exhaust, I can probably pull the exhaust, get some black enamel paint designed for high heat headers and stuff like that, header exhaust, extreme heat header exhaust, and I can probably repaint the muffler, and this thing should start coming together pretty good. So a lot of this stuff I already managed to get off with some basic sandpaper, but some of this I'm gonna have to go back with some more coarse stuff and then hit it with some fine stuff. These are big projects, man. When you take on stuff like this, it's a big old project, but I think they'll appreciate it in the end. So it's a little ripper, man. Starts and runs real well though, you know. Still waiting on the new ignition to come in, but yeah, she definitely goes. She goes. There we go. Just popped the new battery in her because that one was toast. Now we got a new battery in there. It runs good, man. Like I said, it's got very low mileage. So I also put a no rev limiter CDI on it, so should be able to top out the variator no problem now. You know, runs great.